కాలేజ్ సిబ్బందికి, స్టూడెంట్స్కి అందరికీ కూడా పేరు పేరు నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు నాకు సంతోషం ఏంటంటే మీలో చాలా మంది గార్డ్స్ ఎక్కువ వచ్చారు ఈ మీటింగ్కి. బాయ్స్ ఎందుకు తక్కువ ఉన్నారు? మీది కో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కదా, అంటే బాయ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్. In fact, it is a good sign. And you are seeing in newspapers nowadays. You want me to speak in English or Telugu? Sare, renditlo maatladna. You are seeing in newspapers nowadays that the girls are going like a rocket in studies and also in jobs. For example, our Superintendent of Police, present Superintendent of Police, is a woman who studied law and became legal service head. I would like to request our Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Guest Dr. CHP R.R. Varaprasad sir, Honorable Principal, District Judge and Chairman, District Legal Service Authority, Kangareddy sir. Sir, please. I request all of you to pardon me for coming late to this college, because I was very much busy in court work. At the outset, I thank CEO of the college for arranging this with the students. Harisnaran Reddy garu CEO, Manoj Kumar garu Vice Principal garu of Sandeepani College, and my sister Nagarani Madam, and Chief Legal Aid Defence Counsel Maya Suresh garu, Deputy Legal Aid Defence Counsel Mohan Rao garu, Shabana Madam garu Advocate, అట్లాగే సలీం గారు అడ్వకేట్, ఇక్కడికి విచ్చేసినటువంటి కమ్యూనిటీ మీడియేటర్స్ అందరికీ, కొంతమంది పిఎల్బీస్ కూడా వచ్చారు వాళ్ళకి, అట్లాగే మా యొక్క డిఎల్ఏ. There are so many girls. Recently you might have seen in the newspapers that several Telangana girls, they became IPS officers, IAS officers, and also Group 1 officers. So please take motivation from them and concentrate on your studies. It applies not only to girls but also boys. I am not discriminating. And reach the heights in your education. It is just before going into this legal aspects, just I wanted to give you one tip by taking 1 minute time as to how you have to study. I am not saying that you are not studying, but I wanted to give a tip because I am older than all of you. Is it not? In fact, I have studied like that. So mere reading is not sufficient. There is lot of difference between listening and reading. It must go into your head, not off the head. What is off the head? A person will be sitting in front of the book, but nothing will go inside the book. What is the use? If you study for 24 hours round the clock, no use at all. What is the outcome? What is the result? Result is nil. That is why you must always read by concentrating your mind. Your mind and body should be at one place. Your mind will always be touring around the world. Is it not? America or somewhere else. You will be sitting here. All our minds will be going to Trump or somewhere else. Why he won US election? Why our lady woman, what is her name? Harris. Why she did not become success as president of US? Don't think all those things. Receive in the brain and then retrieve. When you go to the examinations, today CEOs have stated that you are going to write examinations. Whenever there is examination, you have to retrieve from your brain what is stored. Is it not? When you operate the computer, what it is doing? It is retrieving the data. Our brain is also like computer. So like that you have to study. I think you will reach the goals set by you. Is it not? It is not only helpful to you personally, but also to entire family members, including your parents. Please study like that. If not already doing, some people might be studying. So at the outset, let us talk about the Legal Service Authorities Act. Just I wanted to put you one question. Who makes the laws in India and Telangana? Anybody? It is not the one-way traffic. I have not come here only to give you speech and go. You must help me. You treat me as a layman. You must help me, you must respond. Because I have also worked as lecturer in law college. You must help me. You must react. Who makes the laws in parliament at the central level? Anybody? Anybody knows about the constitution? When our constitution came into effect? Be louder. Even if it is wrong, be louder. I am unable to hear. Okay, who is the chairman of Constituent Assembly? Very good. Very much in Constitution. Fundamental rights. What are the fundamental rights? Right to speech, right to live with dignity, right to personal liberty. There are so many rights. Right to education is also a fundamental right. But at the same time, you have got fundamental duties also. What are the fundamental duties? You have to maintain communal harmony. You must treat all your neighbors as your own people. You must respect the constitution. You must respect the Indian flag. And you must help the neighborhood. There are so many things. So that is why there are three organs as per the constitutions. Constitution. Number one, legislature. What is legislature? Legislature, at the center we have parliament. There are what are they? What are they called? What is the permanent house? Permanent house is Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha. Who is that man? Please stand up. Who stated Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha is the permanent one. Lok Sabha is not a permanent one. So these two houses make laws at the parliament. That is at the center. What about Telangana? In Telangana they make laws. We have legislative assembly. We have legislative council. Is it not? So also legislative council is a permanent one. 1/3 of the people will retire and another people will come. It will never be empty. Please remember. But Lok Sabha will be empty once it is dissolved and once we go for fresh election. So these people at the center in parliament and also at the state make laws. So immediately after the laws are made, it will become an ordinance. Once it is approved by the parliament, it becomes the bill, and once it gets the assent of President of India or the governor of the state as the case may be, it becomes the act. So there will be notification given by the center or state government as to from which date these laws should come into effect. Are you aware of that? Then only these laws will come into effect. Recently, you might have heard in the news, seen in the newspapers that our IPC has been changed, name has been changed, and CRPC, Code of Criminal Procedure has been changed, and also Evidence Act, సాక్ష్యాధార చట్టం, ఈ మూడు కూడా మనకి మార్పు చేయబడ్డవి. వాటన్నింటినీ కూడా భారతీయ న్యాయ సంహిత అంటే